Hi everybody, I hope you're all safe and well. I thought you might enjoy having a look at this. Doing my latest folder, and obviously I'm trying to improve every time. So with these now, you'll see I've got brass pins peened in. Okay, so they're all peened in. I've recessed where the pivot point's going to go. You can see that alright. So the idea is copper washer goes inside there. Okay, my pivot pin comes through with a spring washer on the outside. He said, so you have to bear with me. Alright, the blade goes on. Obviously your copper washer this side. This is what I'm doing, maybe right or wrong. And as you can see, it's exactly the same on that one. So I've recessed it there. You've got your pins there. Then this goes on like this. Okay, like so. Another spring washer goes on like that. Then this goes on like that. Hopefully you can see all this, guys. Don't look at the camera, Sean, when you're trying to screw it up. Right, then what you do, you tighten this up. You've got to set the copper washers so they fit within the recess. So they'll go in there, and all I do is I just spend a bit of time just tightening this up, and it works well. There, so you can see it's tightening now. That all right. So then what I've got another little pin. All right, you with me so far? Another little pin that goes into the back of it there, right? And that is your stop. Okay, so that will be peened into that side as well. All right. So the only things that you'll see on these outside scales are these three pins which I've peened through from the other side. All right. So then what you do, you've got this set. Oh, sorry. So I've got all this all set now. So that's like that. Okay. So then what you want to be able to do, I'll have to take this one out for this stage, is these. So that's my scales, my antler scales that I've recessed, because I don't want pins coming right through. Now I know traditionally you'd peen the pins as you did, but I don't want to. And I think with modern epoxies and the fact that these pins will be in there and this will all be roughed up, it ain't going anywhere. And if anyone says any different, I'd argue it. So then that just pops on like that, one side, and this will all be glued obviously. And then this one will pop on that side, he says. Now bear in mind as well, see, because this one's raised, but this will be peened flat when I'm ready to do the proper fit. And then this will go on there like that. And then this pin, the big pin at the back, is your stop for there, you see. So that stage we're up to now, let's bring you up a bit. So that's it now. So we're up at that stage. So obviously you've got the recesses here. Now what I do with these is I put my pins in these. And I only put them in with like a drop of glue, because if they come out it's easy to replace, but also if I need to get them out to retighten or to rebush this, I can, and that's the whole point. So there we are, and that's the stage we're at the moment. So this will all be closed up a bit more. Obviously this back will be filled with well, some wood or other, and the next thing I've got to do the liner lock. So that's a case of measuring up this here so that I can pull this stainless out that way so that when it opens it locks. But there you go. So one little folder that's coming on. Obviously this needs heat treating and grinding back, but you know, a lot of work goes into these, I'm sure you understand. So, but this is the next stage on for me, and it's taken me all day to get to this stage, and this is just rough. So yeah, there we go, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed that. I'll probably put this up on the YouTube. It's only a short video, but it gives you something to look at, doesn't it? And in the meantime, take care everyone, and I'll speak to you soon.